Hello nga. Good evening. I cannot hear you. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Okay. How are you today in school?
it's good.
It's good. What's your lesson in math?
Mm,
What is your lesson in math?
time.
It's about time?
Yes.
Oh, we are done with time. Is it very easy?
No.
Huh? Why it's not easy? What makes it
Mm,
hard? What makes it hard for you?
It's hard.
Because
Very hard.
very hard. Why? Okay, can you give me an example so that Teacher Rose will teach you about the time? Mm.
Mm,
Okay, give me example. Example. Okay, you draw here. You give me example. What makes the time hard?
It's like this. It has
And
the
then,
time,
and then,
and we will plus the time.
you plus how many hours? This and this? Really? I don't understand. Okay, like this one. What is the title? Like adding the time in the clock. Like that?
Da, 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 da.
This one, where is it?
Mm, 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 mm.
This one. Okay. Like you will add the time.
Yes.
Why is it hard?
Mm, mm, mm,
I don't have lesson like that. We don't have a lesson like that.
mm.
Yeah. But we discussed about time, right? Already?
Yes.
Okay, let me check the time. Clock. This one, time and calendar. This one, like this nga. Like
Where?
this. No? Not like this?
No.
Mm. Okay. Now Teacher Rose will share my screen. Teacher Rose is preparing a lesson for you. It's all about finding the area of each rectangle. Okay. Now, in number one, rectangle is example this. I'll give you an example of an area of rectangle. Okay. I will draw a rectangle in the screen. Okay, you listen. What shape is this nga? Oh, okay. Okay, that's yours. This is rectangle. A rectangle has the length
Four
of,
side.
huh?
Four side.
The area, it's the area of rectangle. Okay, you will identify the area of rectangle by finding the length and the width. You know the length
No, I don't know.
and width. Ah, you don't know this? Okay, this is this one from here. from here to here, this is the width. What is this? Width.
Width.
From here to here, this is length. Okay? This is length. So, if this one from here to here is 2 meters and this one is 5 meters, what is width? Width is
2 meters.
meters. The length is
5 meters.
yes, 5 meters. Now the area, what is the area of triangle? The formula is area of triangle equals length, that's length times width. Okay, what is the answer?
7.
Times. Length times width. So what is the length? It's 5
10.
times 2. I'm sorry, but again. 5 meters times 2 meters equals 10 meters squared. What is the answer? This is meter squared because there are 1, 2. Do you understand? Okay, let's try it. Okay, example this one. I will show you this. A video. Let's show a video. Nga, listen to the video. Area of rectangle. This one. Area of rectangle.
Area of rectangle.
Oh, it's area. It's area.
Area of rectangle.
Okay, you listen.
Smile and learn.
Hey everybody! Today we're going to teach you how to calculate the area of a rectangle, also called the surface area of a rectangle. Let's start by remembering what a rectangle is. A rectangle is a plane figure with 4 sides that make 4 right angles. It has 2 equal parallel sides. That means its opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Correct.
Its area can be measured using different units of measurement, depending on the system we use and its size. For instance, it can be measured in square inches, square feet, or square miles if it's very large. As you can see in this image, the area of the rectangle is the number of square units that the figure has inside it. To calculate the area of a rectangle, we need to know the formula.
Okay, eyes here nga, look at. The formula is area of rectangle equals length times, what is it? Width.
Is equal to length times width. You will see that the length is represented by a letter L and the width is represented by a letter W.
Okay, this one.
Let's practice. This rectangle's length is 4 inches and the width is 3 inches. As we said before, to calculate its area, we must multiply the length by the width. That is 4 times 3 equals 12.
Yay!
Great. The area
Are you
of this
ready?
Yeah.
So what is the area of this? It's 12 inches squared. Okay, now nga, let's try this one. Number 1. Find the area of a rectangle.
And we do it.
Yes, area equals. Oh, do not use color yellow. What's this? I'll say area equals.
A equals 3.
What is the length? 3? Oh, what's the answer? What happened? What is that nga? Sit properly, sit properly. Huh? Okay, you can answer right away. Just give me the answer. Teacher Rose will write it. Area equals?
21.
Very good. 21 feet squared. Like that, okay? Again. Let's do it. Let's answer. You answer right away. You answer right away. Like this one. It's A equals 21 feet squared. Feet squared. Okay. Next, number 2. Yes, very good. 32. Huh? Where's the feet squared? It's wrong if there's no feet squared. Feet squared. Put like
I
that.
know it.
Okay, very good. That one, 55 feet squared. That's right. It's so easy, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you just have to multiply it. Is correct? Correct. Very good nga. So again, the area of rectangle is length times width. You just multiply the two numbers. Okay, number 4. For a while. Look at 21 feet squared. Okay, go. Number 4 nga. 4, 5, and 6. Area equals? Mm.
4.
Okay, very good. Number 5. That's right. What is 7 times 8?
6.
Mm-hmm.
56.
Feet squared. Okay, number 6. What is it? Squared. Okay, very good nga. See? You know it's very easy. Okay, how about this one? Number 7, 8, and 9. Find the area. Next is you're gonna find the area of square, okay? Okay? Hmm. Wow. How did you answer that? Hmm? Okay. Next. Five times 6 equals. What's your answer? What is that? What number is that? Number 8?
30.
30. Okay. Number 9. Length area equals length times width. Yes. It's 6 times 4 equals.
24.
Yes, very good. It's 24. 24 feet squared. Correct. Very good nga. Now, this one, your score is 9/9. Great job! Okay, now today I'm gonna teach you one more lesson. It's not just about the area of rectangle, but also you have to find the area of the square. Do you know the area of square equals area is equal to area is equal to side times side, or you say area equals S
Area.
squared. How to do this? Only S squared. Okay, I will give you example for a while. Teacher Rose will teach you. Ta-dang! Okay, let's erase that and let's proceed to, this is a square. I will draw a square. Okay, a square
Not a
na
square.
This
is a square.
It's a school. That's a rectangle. A square is like this. Okay, a square has 3 meters. Okay, look at nga. The formula is area equals S squared. The meaning of S is side. What is S nga? It's side. So, area equals, what is the side of the square? 3. So, the perfect is 3. 3 squared. So, area equals, what's the answer?
Area
Equals 9 meter squared. Do you know why is it 9?
No.
Why is it 9? Because 3 times 3. If it's 3 cube, that is 3.
Oh, I know it.
You know it? Oh, really? Okay, so now this time, you just have to 3 times 3. That's the answer. How about this one? Can you find the area of a square? Area equals S squared. Okay, you answer nga. Do you have a lesson like this already?
No.
No, not yet in your school?
Yes.
Wow, you're so advanced. Huh? So what will you write here? What are you doing? A equals?
X square.
Equals, what is the side? What is the side
Yes.
now? The side is This one, the number. It's 15, right?
15.
So 15 squared.
I
Now,
will exclude 15 times 3.
no, it's 15 times 15.
I'm knowing 5 times 25.
Mm-hmm.
2. 1 time 5 equals 6.
Mm-hmm.
1 time 5 equals 5.
Plus.
Plus 2.
Mm-hmm. Equals
75.
75.
75. That's right.
Okay, where is, what is this? 15. What is the answer? 15. Okay, 25. 5, 6, 7. 5. 1. It's 5. 12. 2. What's your answer? Why is this 175? Do you know how to
No,
multiply like this?
it's
It's 200. Area equals
275.
225 inches squared. Do you know how to multiply two-digit numbers? Okay, inches. This one,
Yes.
do you know how to multiply like this?
Yes.
Oh, you have to. Okay, this
Can
one.
we play game? Can we play
Farewell,
game?
farewell. 225 inches squared. Okay, look, what's the answer?
8, 10,
Ew, why is this meter squared? This is inches. Inches squared. This is wrong. Okay, what do you want to play nga?
What's it?
Huh? You want to play?
Word search.
Word search. Okay. What is it about?
I don't know.
This one. Let's try this.
Here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, the two of us will search. To pass the net. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, let's find another.
Okay.
I think let's proceed to fruits.
Fruit.
Easy. Ah, this one. Go. Chick.
Chick.
Oh, I found a chick. This one. Chick.
Near.
I found like. Faster. I found shady.
Yeah.
Oh, I found shady. Oh,
Yeah.
how about you nga? I found edge. Oh, I found the edgy.
Dude.
I found Acorn. I found acorn. I found
I
edgy.
found nude,
Okay.
rocky,
Edgy.
acorn, acorn,
Where's acorn? Acorn? Very good. ROC. Rocky. I found fresh. What else?
six,
Where?
it is here.
Yeah, I found nerds. Nerd. Hello, we're almost done. Faster. It's ticks. Okay.
In
Third.
letter D, in letter N.
Here. N-E-R-D. Nerd.
Oh,
It's inverted. Guys. Oh, I found guys.
where is gum, guys?
Oh, third. Last one is third. T. Where is it? T-U-R-D. Oh, very good. We did it. Yes, that's right. Okay, perfect. Oh, where is it? That's very good. Oh, we're done. Ah, you just have to do like that. To color like that next time. Do you know how to play Sudoku?
I don't know.
You have to complete this one into 10. 1 to 9. Like there's a 1, number 1, but also here 1 to 9. Complete this. And here also 1 to 9. But do not repeat the number. Correct. Oh, you do not 5 because there's a 5 already here. From here to here, it should be 1 to 9. Four is correct. 4. Ah, okay. Very good. Mm.
No. This
Ah,
is no.
there's
hard.
9. Yeah, but you need to use the brain here. It can make you even smarter and wiser. This will become 1. Where's 1? You can put 1 here.
Here is 3.
You can put 4 here. You can put 9.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you're done. Next. Next row. Okay, go nga. Oh, it's already time. You have to go to your teacher now, to your next class. We will continue this one next meeting. Do you want Sudoku? Sudoku. Okay, we will
Yeah.
play that game next meeting. Okay, goodbye nga. Goodbye. See you next meeting.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.